Teacher, what do you live?
I live in Philippines.
It's from. No. What do you live?
What do you live? Wait for a while.
What do you live?
Where do you live? I in Philippines. In Bohol. Bohol. It's an island. Island.
What?
It's in island.
Island.
Island of Bohol. Okay.
Island.
Island of Bohol in Philippines. How about you? Where do you live?
I live in Hanoi.
Oh, that city. Very big city.
City?
Yeah, city. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, teacher. Okay. Oh, you look beautiful today. What's that? What happened? You look pretty. Yeah, okay. Here?
Hair teacher is hair teacher.
Why?
Hair.
Yeah, also my hair. Look at my hair. My hair. Ah, it's braided. Oh, look at teacher's hair. Look at.
Yes.
It's braided. Braided. Okay, I will share you now. Okay, this
Tam.
okay. Okay, what did you do today? Now, dance now. Okay, here. Oh, so in Unit 9, we are going to talk about me and my family. Yes. Okay, what can you see in the picture?
I see mom. No, I see grandpa, grandma, dad, mom, brother, and sister.
Yeah. Okay, mom and dad and brother and sister. This is grandpa, brother, mom, dad, sister, and grandma. Okay?
Yeah,
okay.
mom.
We will watch the video. Family song.
Let's go, Tito.
Yeah, it's family song.
Mom, Dad, Mom, Dad, Mom, Dad, Mom, Dad, brother, sister, brother, sister, brother, sister, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, grandma, grandpa, grandma, grandpa, grandma, grandpa. I love my family. I love my family. Oh yeah.
Oh
Yeah, I do. I love my family. I love my family. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's true. Mom, Dad, Mom, Dad, Mom, Dad, Mom, Dad, brother, sister, brother, sister, brother, sister, brother, sister, grandma, grandpa, grandma, grandpa, grandma, grandpa, grandma, grandpa. I love my family. I love my family. Oh yeah. Yeah, I do. I love my family. I love my family. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's true.
Okay, we will sing it again. We will sing it again.
No.
Okay, you didn't like the song? You didn't like?
I like.
Okay. Here, next is...
Elsa. Oh,
Yeah, wait for a while.
what's that?
Next one is... That's the family song. We have here the grandpa, the brother, the dad, the mom, the sister, and what's this? The mother, the grandmother. Yes. So they are all member of the family. What happened? Why it's not moving now?
In the family, grandpa, grandma, dad, mom, brother, and sister.
Yeah, that's the family here. Next here is, look at what's in the picture. Oh.
Mom, Dad.
Wait for a while, Chow.
What's that?
Yeah. Yeah, I need to refresh because it cannot be. Okay, look at this one. We need to finish the song so we can move.
Yes.
Yeah. This is I love my family. Okay, how about you, child? Do you love your family?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. You love your family. Okay. Oh my God, why? It's keep on singing. Wait, Chow. Keep on singing, Chow. Ay. Why? I love my family. Why? Why? I love my family.
Unit 9.
It's Unit 9.
Yes.
Okay, this is the mom. Look at here. This is the dad, sons, daughters, grandma.
What son, teacher?
Okay,
What
son
son?
is
What son?
here. Wait for a while.
No.
Yeah.
Son in the picture. A son in the picture.
Here. Son in the picture is this one. Okay, this is son.
Baby
son.
brother.
The baby brother.
Baby brother. Baby brother.
Yeah. Okay, here. I will, yes. I will ask you. Which word can mean the father? What is father? It's a?
Dad.
Oh, very good. It's dad. Which word can mean grandfather and grandmother?
Grandfather.
Grandfather and grandmother. What do you call that one?
Grandfather. No. Grandfather is a grandpa.
Oh, grandpa.
Grandmother is a
grandma. Okay. What do you call them? Grandfather, grandpa. Grandmother, grandma. What do you call them? They are grand. Oh, where is it? Sorry, Chow. Why it's lost?
Oh no. Oh no.
Here, look at this one. So grandmother is grandma, grandfather, grandpa. But what do we call them? We call them as grand. Look, grandparents.
Grandpa.
Yeah, they are grandparents. Okay? Okay, Chow? Grandmother, grandfather, grandparents.
Oh.
Okay, next. How about, do you understand?
What's the grandchildren?
Grandparents are grandmother and grandfather. Okay, teacher Ann will write here. Wait for a while. Oh. Oh, Chow, sorry. Ow! Sorry, my keyboard is not working properly, Chow. I don't know what happened. I cannot write, Chow. I cannot write. My keyboard is not working properly. I don't know why. Look.
I write.
Grandparents mean, oh, see? I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened with the keyboard. I cannot write. Okay, there's something.
Reading I write.
Do not write anymore. Do not write. Grandparents, look at this one. Just look at this one, teacher. Look at teacher. Grandparents are grandfather and grandmother. Okay? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, next, Chow.
Okay.
Which words can mean children that are boys? Children that are boys.
Son.
Very good.
Son.
Children that are boys, they are sons. Okay, very good, Chow. Next, which word can mean grandmother?
Grandma.
Grandmother is?
Grandmother.
Grandmother is
grandparent.
Grandma, okay. Grandmother, grandma, okay? Okay?
Okay.
How about
Okay.
grandsons and granddaughter here? How about grandsons and granddaughters? What do we call them? They are grandchildren. Okay? Okay?
What the grandchildren is dad, mom,
Yeah.
brother, sister,
No.
and
Grandchildren. They are, okay. Grandchildren, they are grandsons and granddaughters. Okay? Grandsons and granddaughters, grandchildren. Okay, Chow?
okay.
Grandmother, grandma.
Is the grandparent.
Oh, listen, teacher. Grandfather, grandpa. Grandmother, grandma. Grandmother and grandfather, grandparents. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. How about mother? Hi. What is mother?
Mother is the mom.
Yeah, very good. This is the mom. Okay. How about grandfather? What is grandfather?
It's dad.
Yeah, grandfather. Grandfather is?
Grandfather is dad.
No, grandfather.
Mom is dad.
Father is dad. Father is dad. Grandfather. Grand here. What's this? It's grand. Pa.
Grandma, grandpa.
Yeah, it's grandpa. Grandmother is?
Grandpa.
Very good. Okay, again, Chow. Father. What is father?
Father is dad.
Mother
is mom.
Grandfather.
Grandfather is grandpa.
Grandmother.
Grandmother is grandma.
Grandmother and grandfather.
Grandmother and grandfather is grandparent.
Very good. Children that are boys.
It's grandchildren.
Children that are boys.
Son and...
Okay. Children that are girls.
It's daughter.
Very good. Grandsons and granddaughters.
It's grandchildren.
Okay, very good, Chow. How did you know? Yay! Very good. Perfect. Very good. Very good.
Teacher, erase the picture.
Yeah, I will erase. Sorry.
Erase. Oh no. I drew.
Okay, here. Let's move, Chow. Do you understand, Chow? You understand?
I guess.
Okay, here. Look, who are they? Listen and draw the lines. Okay. Who are they? Listen, Chow, and draw the lines. Now, how many people are there in the pictures? How many people are there in the pictures?
6 people in the picture.
Okay, there are 6 people. What kind of pet can you see? What kind of pet can you see? Okay, what pet can you see in the picture? What pet?
I
Mm.
see
Okay, what's in the picture? What's in the picture? What pet? What's that?
teacher reading.
You're writing. What happened?
Yes,
What happened to
read.
teacher? Oh, what happened to teacher Anne's face?
Teacher see.
I can see family in the picture. Yeah, you can see family in the picture. Very good. Okay, but Chow Chow, my question is, what kind of pet can you see? Pet. You know what is pet? Do you know what is pet?
No, I know.
Dog, cat, cow, carabao. That's pet. Animals. What animals can you see?
Yeah.
It's the
Teacher see. Oh, no. I is teacher see here.
yeah.
Is cat.
Yeah, it's a cat. It's a cat. Okay, can you see the cat? Now listen next. Okay. It's a cat. Where is the cat? Where is the cat?
The cat go to zoo.
Okay, you speak. Where is the cat?
Teacher see here.
Yes.
Here.
Okay, what's that?
The cat go to the grandma.
Okay, the cat is behind the grandma, Laka. Behind the grandma, behind, at the back of the grandma, behind. You know what is behind? At
Yes.
the back.
Yes.
Okay, next. What are they holding? What are they holding?
What holding?
What are they holding like this? What are they holding this one? Like
What
this.
holding?
Like this. Like Chow Chow. Look at teacher Anne. Chow Chow.
What holding?
This holding. What am I holding? What I hold? It's a phone. It's a phone holding. I'm holding a phone. What they are holding? This one, this one, this one. Oh, you type there. What are they holding?
Oh no.
What are they holding? They are holding a
photo.
camera. Okay, go. What else?
Okay, teacher.
What
Okay,
else? Okay, here. They are holding her. They are holding a camera. What else? What's this? Camera only? What's this? What's this? And what's this?
Flow. Teacher, what spell flower?
F-L-O-W-E-R.
O. Oh, chưa? Flower. Cake. Teacher, what's that? Grandpa.
It's a box. Box.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Next. Yeah. And what is this? Very good. What's this?
Bug.
Yeah, very good. A camera, a plant, a box, a cake, and a bag. Very good, Chow. Now, what you're going to do, Chow, is you will have, okay, teacher Ann will erase this first. Okay, thank you, Chow. Okay, here. Okay, who are they? You listen to the teacher and draw the lines. Okay, this is Bill and Mary Rice. Okay, this is Bill and this is Mary Rice. This is
What
John.
Bill? What Bill?
Bill is the grandfather. Mary is the grandmother. Okay, this is John. This one, okay, I will make here.
John here.
Yeah, this is Bill. This is Mary. This is John. And this is Anna. This is Sam. And this is Vicky. Okay? Okay? Okay.
Okay.
They are, okay, here, this is Jane and Sue. Jane and Sue are the daughters. They are Jane and Sue. They are the daughters of John and Anna. Okay? Ben and Peter, they are the sons of Sam and Becky. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, again.
Yes.
Bill
Yes.
and Mary. Bill, the grandpa. Mary, the grandma. This is, what's that? This is John and Anna. John, Anna. Jane and Sue, they are the, who are they? They are the, Jane and Sue, they are the daughters of John and
Yes.
Anna.
Yeah.
Ben and Peter, they are the sons of Sam and Vicky. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So Jane, Sue, Ben, and Peter, they are cousins. Do you understand, child?
Yeah.
Hey, next here in the line. Okay. Okay, let's move. You have question? You understand this, child? You understand?
Yeah, understand.
Okay, very good. Here. Okay, see? Okay. Oh, that's Anna. Sorry, Becky. Here, John. It's crumbling. Okay, here. Here, you will have to write the correct answer here. You read about Jane and write the family words on the line. Okay. Look at the picture and write your answers here. Okay, let us see. Just try, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go. You read carefully.
My sister, Sue, and I love everyone in our family. Our parents.
Wait.
Yes.
Chow, you answer first before you read so that we can have or we can read your answers. Okay, you answer first. Okay. Teacher Ann will read first and you answer. My sister Sue and I, okay, this is Jane, a story about Jane, love everyone in our family. Our parents are great. Dad's name is John. Our blank called Anna. Or what's the name of their mother? Their blank called Anna. We've got a really pretty blank too. She's called Vicky. And our blank name is Sam. He's very tall. We've got two blank. They are both boys. And their name is Ben and Peter. Our blank names are Bill and Mary, grandmother and the grandfather. We like going to see them a lot. They're happy because we've got four blank. Ben, Peter, Sue, and me. Who are they? Okay, go. Very good. Oh, I showed the answer. Our blank called Anna.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay, let's see if your answer is correct. Number 1, what's this? Okay, let us see your answer. Number 1, answer dad. Number 2, mother. Okay, next, we've got a really pretty aunt called Vicky. Uncle called Ben. It's okay. We've got 2 cousins. They're both boys. Grandparents and grandchildren. Oh, it's okay. Okay, we'll read now. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. The test is hard. Okay. Now, let's read. Can you read it, child? With the answers.
My sister, work, and I love everyone in our family. Our parents are rich dads. Name is John. Our mother's Carly Anna.
Called Anna. Yeah. We've got a really pretty aunt.
Too.
She's called
Vicky and our uncle's name is Sam. He's very tall. We've got 2 cousins. They are boys and their names are Ben and Peter. Our grandparents.
Very good.
Bill and Mary. I go to see them a lot. They happy because they've got 4 grandchildren now. Ben, Peter, Sue, and me.
Okay, how did you read this one? This one?
Grandchildren.
No, this one.
Mary.
Very good. Okay. How about this one? Cold. This one. Cousins. This one. Grand. This one, ciao. Grandparents. Cousin. This one, you read. Aunt. Uncle. Okay. Pretty. Really. Mother. Everyone. Very good. Okay, let's move here. Okay, answer questions about the people in your family. I will ask questions about the people in the family. Okay, look up here about the word loud. You know what is loud?
No.
Loud. You know that?
Yeah.
Quiet.
Yeah.
Okay, clever. Smart. Clever. You know smart? Yeah. Smart. Very smart. Clever.
Smart?
Yeah. Smart. Smart and clever the same. Smart and clever the same. You understand? Busy. You know busy?
No.
Busy. Chow, I cannot wait a Chow, the road, the cars are busy. Many cars, busy. Teacher Ann cannot attend the class because I'm busy. Busy. Many things to do, busy. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pretty. You understand pretty?
Pretty, yeah, I understand.
Naughty. You know naughty?
Naughty.
Bad. Naughty is bad.
Oh,
Here. Here. Okay, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so you understand this word. Okay, Teacher Ann will tell you or will ask you questions. Okay. Okay. Is loud the opposite of quiet? Yes or no? What's the answer? Next. Very good. Yes, very good. Next. Is clever the opposite of busy? Is clever the opposite of busy? Clever, very smart, is opposite of busy? No, let's see your answer. No, very good. Next, what's the opposite of pretty? Pretty. What's the opposite of pretty?
You.
Chow chow is pretty. What's the opposite of pretty? Pretty. So what's the opposite of pretty? When you say pretty, what's the opposite?
What opposite?
Yeah, when I say example, small, the opposite, you know what is small? Small. You know what is small? This one. Small.
Yeah.
Okay. The opposite of small is big.
No.
Oh, opposite of small is big. What is the opposite of pretty? What? Not no or yes. What? When you say pretty, what's the opposite? Like I say small. The opposite of small is big. Okay, what is the opposite of pretty?
Big.
Okay, big, pretty. Big, pretty. The opposite, I am pretty and what's that? It's ugly. Ugly, it means not pretty. Not pretty. Okay? Okay. What is the opposite of pretty again? What is the opposite of pretty? What?
Pretty?
Yeah. The opposite of pretty is ugly. Okay, remember that. Pretty, the opposite is ugly. Okay? Okay, Chow? Okay, here, ugly is the opposite. Next. What's the opposite of naughty? Bad. What's the opposite of bad? What's the opposite of bad? When I say bad, what is the opposite? The opposite of bad is? Or naughty is? What's the opposite of naughty?
Ugly.
Ugly is pretty. You're bad. What's the opposite?
Bad.
Small, big. Tall, short.
Tito.
Black, white. What's the opposite of naughty? The opposite of naughty is
Left,
good.
right, or subtle.
Yeah, the opposite of bad or naughty is good. Okay, our example. Chow Chow is good, but her friend is naughty. Opposite. What's the opposite? Good, bad, good. Okay, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, here. The opposite of bad, here, naughty, teacher Ann told you that naughty is bad. Okay? Naughty is bad. The opposite of bad is good. You know what is good?
Good ideas.
Yeah, you know what is good. Good is the opposite of bad. Okay, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? Okay. So why are you laughing? Okay, Chow. Now, Chow, tomorrow, okay, I'll be having a class tomorrow with you. Tomorrow at 6 in the evening. Like this time. Like now. Like this time. Okay? Chow?
Okay.
Okay. Not early. Like this time. 6 in the evening. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Tomorrow, 6 in the evening. Okay. So we're going to discuss tomorrow about this. About this. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Very good. Thank you for that, Chow. Thank you for the time with teacher. Thank you. And teacher Ann will see you tomorrow. Okay?
Okay.
Yay! Okay. Did you have your assignment? Did I give you assignment?
I know, see, teacher.
Did you see homework? Wait, I check if I give you homework.
Saturday.
Yeah, wait. Yeah, I give you homework about draw and write the story. Look at the previous chart. Okay, I will give you assignment tonight. Okay? Tonight. Tonight, after the class, I will give you assignment. Okay?
In the phone, Dad and Mom.
Yeah, here in the phone. Here of teacher. Okay? Here. PK 292. Here.
Okay.
Okay? So for now, bye-bye, Chow.
Bye, teacher.
Okay, see you.
See you.
Okay, thank you, Chow. Bye-bye.